Hey Colt, in this video we're going to learn how to create a new Google Sheet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this blank spreadsheet right here, and it will pop up with a new spreadsheet. And at the top I can label it whatever I'd like, Colt Academy 1. And each of these little rectangles are called cells, and all of the columns are represented alphabetically, and all of the rows are represented numerically. So this cell that I've just highlighted is represented by A1, and the one that I have over here would be C3. So let's say I want to add some information into my cell. All I have to do is if I click once, it will highlight the cell, and if I double click, it will allow me to enter in information. And let's say if I have Colt, Academy 1, 2, 3, right? And notice how it kind of runs into the next cell. So if I wanted to resize, I can always drag this over, and then I can also drag my rows to make that larger. And let's say if I'm entering in some values, I have 1 and I press enter, 2 and 3. And let's say if I didn't really want 3, I can always do the undo key or the Control Z, and that will remove that. And let's say number 2 was a really valuable piece of text and I wanted to copy that, it would just be Control C, and then I highlight another cell. Let's say if I want to put it here, I can do Control V, and that would copy that text over.